Hello all, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see the set difference and symmetric difference. Okay, so let's get into this. So in our previous playlist we have seen the Python sets, union and intersection, and we also saw how to find the length of the set. Okay, so today in this particular video we'll see like how to find the difference and the symmetric difference of two different sets. Okay, so let's try to mention this in comments. Okay, now let's try to run this particular cell. Okay, so now let's see like how to find the difference. So before that we'll take an example of a set. We have defined x is equal to some components and y is equal to some components. Okay, so now suppose if we want to find the difference of the two different set, difference means it can be either x minus y or it can be y minus x whenever we are defining two different sets. Okay, so first we'll see like the difference of x minus y, and now let's see like what might be the output. So here you can see the output as 277, 66 and 88. Okay, so output, how we got this means, suppose if we do the minus x minus y, suppose if we try to see some of the common components between two different sets. So once we remove all the common components from the two different sets, so whatever the elements or the components which is left in the set x will be the output of x minus y. Suppose if we are doing y minus x, means we perform the same operation and whatever the remaining components which will be left in the set y will be the output of y minus x. Now suppose let's see like what might be the output here. So here you can see like after removing all the components from x and y, and whatever the other components which are left out in the set y will be the output of y minus x. Okay, so this is the difference between the two different sets, and now let's see like what is the symmetric difference between the two different sets. Okay, so we have already seen the union and the intersection, and suppose if we want to understand the symmetric difference means, what we have to do is like first we have to find the union of two different sets, and we have to find the intersection of two different sets, x ampersand y. So after performing the union and intersection, and suppose if we remove all the components or the elements of intersection from this particular union of set, that will be known as the intersection of, not the intersection, that will be known as symmetric of two different set, symmetric difference of two different sets. So this is how we represent the symmetric difference between x and y. And now let's try to run this particular cell. So we have seen the union, we have seen the intersection. Now let's try to remove all the intersection components from this particular union of set 1 3 4 5, 1 3 4 5, and whatever the remaining components or the elements which are left out, that is known as the symmetric difference of two sets. Okay, so this is the major difference between this difference and the symmetric difference of two different sets. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.